Hello and welcome to this video, where we will reveal the secrets to achieving exponential wealth growth. Learn about the benefits of compound interest, the need for diversifications, and other important elements that may help you take charge of your financial path. Whichever stage of your wealth building journey you're in, these practical recommendations will give vital insights to help you attain your objectives faster. Should you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and tactics. Let's get started. The first tip is to use compound interest to your advantage. But first, what exactly is compound interest? Compound interest is a powerful tool that may dramatically improve the growth of your money over time. It works by enabling your original investment to generate interest and then reinvesting that money in order to earn even more interest. To benefit from compound interest, you must begin investing early and regularly. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow. Consistency is also important since it allows you to realize the benefits of compounding over time. Opening a high-yield savings account, investing in stocks or mutual funds, or starting a retirement account are all options to invest and earn compound interest. A high-yield savings account often has a greater interest rate than a standard savings account, which means your money will grow more quickly. Compound interest can also be earned by investing in equities or mutual funds. You may profit from both capital appreciation and dividend payments by investing in firms with high growth potential. Retirement plans allow you to save for the long term and receive compound interest while receiving tax benefits. To optimize your wealth growth through compound interest, your investment plan must be patient, persistent, and disciplined. Reinvesting your profits and avoiding premature withdrawals might help you benefit from the compound impact and accumulate money over time. The second piece of advice is to diversify your investments. When it comes to investing, keep the old saying in mind. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments is similar to planting several sorts of flowers and vegetables in a diverse garden. If one crop fails, you'll still have others to fall back on. Investing in several asset types such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can help you minimize risk while maximizing rewards. By diversifying your investments, you will have a higher chance of weathering market volatility and lessening the effect of any losses. It is critical to examine your investing goals and risk tolerance while increasing your wealth growth through diversification. You should also examine and adjust your portfolio on a regular basis to ensure that it stays diverse and aligned with your goals. Remember that diversity is not a guarantee of profit or protection against loss, but it can assist you in meeting your long-term investing objectives while limiting risk. Thus, be patient, maintain discipline, and reap the benefits of a well-diversified investing portfolio. The next tip is to live below your means. Wealth accumulation is a slow process that demands discipline and purposeful effort. Prioritizing saving and investing above irresponsible spending is a critical step in this process. One method is to make a budget that details your income and spending, allowing you to find areas where you may save money. Another efficient approach to enhance your financial status over time is to invest in long-term assets such as stocks or real estate. Compound interest allows your investment to increase enormously, giving a consistent source of future cash flow. Another suggested practice is to avoid making impulsive purchases and to prefer value over price. Rather than spending on fancy objects, invest on experiences that can provide you with long-term enjoyment and fulfillment. Remember that it is not merely about earning more money, but more about managing it well. In addition to smart financial management, it is essential that you evaluate and change your financial plan on a regular basis. When life circumstances vary, your financial objectives may need to be revised. It is advised that you evaluate your financial plan at least once a year or after any major life changes, such as marriage, having children, or moving careers. This will guarantee that you stay on pace and move toward your long-term financial objectives. The fourth point of guidance is to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a prudent decision that may help you achieve financial success and unlock your full potential. One approach to accomplishing this is to further your education and training. Whether through a degree certification or skill building program, this can assist you in gaining new skills and information that are high in demand, which can lead to greater employment possibilities and higher paying positions. Another excellent method to invest in yourself is to look for mentorship opportunities. You may receive essential insights and direction from someone who has previously achieved success in your chosen profession by learning from an individual who has already succeeded in life through your desired field. Moreover, attending conferences and networking events can assist you in developing key contacts that can lead to new career prospects and partnerships. You may position yourself as a thought leader and boost your market worth by remaining current with industry standards and developments. So, investing in yourself is an effective method to boost your earning capacity and attain your long-term financial objectives. You may unleash your potential and achieve better success in your work by pursuing higher education and training, finding mentoring opportunities, and symposiums. The fifth tip we have is to maintain discipline. Building wealth is similar to planting a seed, which takes regular care and attention to grow into a rich tree. To begin this path, establish specific financial goals that are consistent with your principles and long-term ambitions. Saving for a down payment on a house, establishing a company, or retiring comfortably are all possibilities. Create a well-structured strategy that describes the essential procedures and dates to attain your goals once you've established them. Discipline and patience have always been essential for effective money accumulation. Maintain your strategy, even through market downturns or financial losses. By being consistent, you're investing in your future self and exponential wealth development will follow. One suggestion is to automate your savings and investing, which will help you stay consistent and ensure you do not miss out on opportunities to expand your money. Also, diversify your investment portfolio to avoid risk, seek expert counsel, and continue to learn about financial management. Keep in mind that money creation is a long-term process that demands commitment and perseverance. Maintain your focus and keep pushing ahead. With discipline and patience, your money will expand beyond your wildest dreams, allowing you to enjoy financial independence in abundance. The final tip is to avoid emotional investing. Emotional investment is a roller coaster journey that can result in enormous capital losses. People tend to make illogical choices based on fear or greed when emotions drive investing decisions, resulting in bad investment selections. Avoiding emotional investment can make a major impact in your wealth growth in this situation. Consider investing to be a garden in which you spread seeds and tend to them over time. Investing, like gardening, involves patience, discipline, and a long-term strategy. When you allow your emotions to govern your financial decisions, you're effectively uprooting your plants before they have a chance to flourish. Avoiding emotional investing allows you to avoid making rash judgments like selling equities during market downturns. Instead, you may keep your money and let them grow and compound over time. This is the power of exponential growth. The longer you keep your assets, the more they increase, resulting in bigger profits. Consider it a snowball effect. The longer the snowball rolls, the more snow it acquires, causing it to become larger and larger. Likewise, the longer you keep your investments, the more they increase, resulting in exponential wealth development. And that's a wrap. We hope that all of the knowledge in this video has presented you with some useful insights and techniques for improving your financial journey. Remember that information is power, and by knowing the power of compound interest, the need of diversification, and other critical elements, you may achieve new heights in your financial objectives. Hence, whether you are a seasoned investor or a novice, these tips can assist you on your path to financial independence. If you loved this video and found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more relevant content. Then again, remember to click the notification bell to ensure that you never miss a new upload. We thank you for sticking around and we'll see you in the next one.